Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Captain Crunch from the cereal Captain Crunch. I'm going to be using this marker right here as a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. It is similar to a Sharpie, except it's probably like it lasts 5 times longer than a regular Sharpie, and it doesn't have that horrible, nasty, toxic smell that's bad for you over time. You can get this on Amazon. You can get it on Michaels. It's pretty easy. I think it's like $7, but compared to a regular Sharpie, right? What's a regular Sharpie? Like 50 cents? I mean, I think it's worth it mostly for the smell, in my opinion. But all right, so let's get started. Oh, the link will be in the description if you do want to get that. It's on Amazon, right? So, all right, let's get going. So I'm gonna start with a circular. Well, no, I'm gonna start with the eye because that's the best thing to do. It's got an egg-like shape for the eye. Nose in front of that, and that's kind of have like a flat top, and underneath has a large curve. Far side eye. Inside iris. Inside iris on this side. Kind of fill in the pupil there. Mustache on the far side. Mustache on this side. Underneath is going to be his mouth, which is another straight kind of curved line. And another curved line for his open mouth. Closing the mouth on the edge. Then putting in a row here for the teeth. And another row for the teeth here. And I am going to fill that in. I would normally put the tongue in there, but I'm like, I don't need it. So I'm going to go with his big chin. He has a large Jay Leno style chin. But in front of that, I'm going to have the collar from his shirt stick up. So I'm going to do that shape, and then that collar's going to run to his chin. Then I'm going to draw kind of a straight line, but I'm going to be careful to avoid his eyes for his hat. Okay? So straight line across here. Straight line. It's going to be kind of dipping down in a way. And kind of a hook shape on each side, and that's the edges of his hat. And then that hat itself is 3D, so I'm gonna think of that almost like it was pushed out of a Play-Doh block and give it kind of a brim here toward the back, so it has like it's like a layered to that. There's like a layered hat. Does that make sense? It's like 3D. When you like, for example, you draw like a cube, you draw the back end of it. Very similar to that. And you're essentially just drawing a straight line across and duplicating that shape. Let's go again to the collar. And that's going to curve along the edge here and pull down again. Before we pull it down though, it's going to be draw a circle. It's going to be a shoulder pad. Circle, within another circle, and with circles all around it. And we're going to close that collar shape as well. Make sense so far? Now we're going to have the far side collar. Pulls down. It's going to be the same. Let's take care of the C at the top for Captain. Simple, cartoony C. Shapes for his eyebrows. Pulling in. And then we still have this side of his head that's not quite there yet. Pulling down. Side of his hair. And that's going to pull all the way just downward. And then we have this, the other side of his head as well. Armpit here. We're going to go into his body. Just kind of like a, I wouldn't say he's got like a fat stomach at all. He's just kind of a bit of a, you know, hefty dude. Nothing, not like super fat. Pulling back. Pulling into his armpit there. We throw a curve over here because he's going to have his hands behind his back. I'm going to do the other one as well. He's a sailor man. He's a captain. Pulling another line here and down here for his pants. And I might pull that up. I'm not sure yet. I might pull that up and yeah, I might do that. Let's draw his. I'm gonna draw his legs down. I'm not gonna really draw his legs up. I mean, it's gonna trail off. I don't need to draw his boots and all that. I think he's never like that in the cereal box. So I'm just gonna keep that as so. And there are going to be 4 buttons on his front. Draw a stripe over here along that top collar. And I'm going to draw a stripe over here, kind of going around his back. They're probably on his sleeves. I draw like a crest right there. And that's pretty much it right now. That is literally it. That is Captain Crunch. What you could do is you could make certain things darker. Like you could probably shade this area in a little bit darker, like underneath the brim of the hat, because we're doing it in black and white. That's possible. You know, you could do that. But that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If that made sense, please give me a like, give it a thumbs up, and share it anywhere. Share it with your friends. It's fun. It's exciting to do this stuff. I want to keep doing this. I'm thinking about whether to start Patreon or not. I'm not sure for this. I have a Patreon for my just my traditional, like, you know, my other art, you know, my art, like my illustration art. But I'm thinking about starting one for this because I feel like every dollar I get from this would be kind of points to in time to do this. That's the thing. It's kind of hard to dedicate time to do this, but I just like it so much, so I just do it all the time. So as of right now, this video is every day. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Say hi to me even in the comments. That really kind of makes me feel good. So thank you guys. See you later.